So you might be wondering, what is this Next.js thing everyone is talking about and why should I bother with it? Well, Next.js is an incredibly powerful framework for building fast and search engine friendly applications. It's built on top of React, so everything you have learned about React is still relevant. But Next.js takes web development to the next level. While React is just a library for creating interactive user interfaces, Next.js is a comprehensive framework. Think of a framework as a collection of libraries, tools, and conventions that streamline application development. For instance, Next.js includes its own routing library, so we don't need to use a separate library like React Router. In terms of tooling, it comes with a compiler for transforming and minifying our JavaScript code, a command line interface for building and starting our application, and a Node.js runtime. Now, you might wonder, what exactly is a Node.js runtime? Well, there are two main ways we can execute JavaScript code: within a web browser on the client side, or within a Node.js runtime on the server. So a Node.js runtime is just a fancy term for a program that can execute JavaScript code. So Next.js comes with a Node.js runtime, and this allows us to do some really cool things. The first thing is that we can do full stack development. So we can write both the front-end and back-end code within the same Next.js project. The back-end code gets executed within the Node.js runtime, and the front-end code gets bundled and sent to the client for execution within a web browser. In contrast, when building applications with React, we have to maintain a separate back-end project in a potentially different programming language. This Node.js runtime also allows us to render our components on the server and send their content to the client. This technique is called server-side rendering, or SSR, and can make our applications faster and more search engine friendly. We'll talk about it in detail later in the course. But wait, there's more. With Next.js, we can pre-render certain pages and components that have static data when we build our application. We just render them once and serve them whenever they are needed. This technique is called static site generation and can make our applications super fast. So in a nutshell, Next.js is a framework for building super fast and search engine friendly applications.